Hello and welcome to our channel Login Science. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a text-to-speech on ChatGPT. So let's get started. You will have to download a Chrome extension for this. So open a new tab and search for talk-to-chatgpt. Then you will see the Chrome extension. Go ahead and click on it and then click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Once this has been added, go back to the tab with the ChatGPT. Refresh the page and then you will see this Talk to ChatGPT version 1.6.1 start. Click on that start and now you can ask questions to ChatGPT and it will reply you, and you can also hear the replies. Hey ChatGPT, can you write me an essay on global warming?
Certainly. Here's an essay on global warming.
And that's all. This is how you can use text-to-speech on ChatGPT. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.